Well, Shelton's a very good town, very good place to raise children. It's also a town in transition. The demographic changes in Shelton, which reflect changes across the country, mean that there's a lot more diversity than there was in the past. We have a number of new arrivals to this country, kids that speak a language other than English at home, and we need to make sure that we're helping them, one, master English for their benefit as students and as future adults. Project ExcEL is something that is very exciting. I've had experience before coming to Shelton with Project ExcEL, and the final two letters in ExcEL, EL, stand for English Learners. So I've been able to bring it to Shelton in partnership with the UCLA group so that we can do this without having to spend district money, to make sure that we're training teachers, offering opportunities for the students and their families as part of Project ExcEL. Our approach is to acknowledge the ability of kids to quickly adapt and learn how to speak a language, but take that next step so that they can master academic language. We do that in a couple different ways as part of Project ExcEL. One is that we have teachers that are trained to do this, and then they work as coaches with other teachers. It's a good investment because it's an investment in the future. It's investing on really making sure that all of our students, again, the focus is on EL students as part of Project ExcEL, but the benefits are for all students. It's going to help all students be better learners. It's going to help all students be more confident adults, and it's going to help people to solve problems and collaborate solving problems as adults. Shelton has a lot to be proud of, and they should be proud of their school district. We are taking a lead role in helping to welcome people from other countries into our community, where they're going to add a lot to the creativity, vitality, and sense of future and potential. And I'm happy to be a part of that.